Oh, hey, you're the new guy, right? I'm supposed to be showing you around. Cool, well, I'm Elijah. Welcome to UE. First, let me give you a couple fun facts about the school. So in 1854, we were founded as Moores Hill College. We were also the 5th college in the nation to be founded as co-ed. And then later on in 1919 is when we actually moved to the city of Evansville. And then in 1967, we were officially named as the University of Evansville. So come on, follow me. I'm gonna show you around some of our buildings on campus. All right, so this is SOBA, also known as our School of Business. All right, come on, let's go inside. It's cold out here. With over 75 undergraduate programs and a 10-to-1 student-faculty ratio, UE empowers students to think critically, act bravely, serve responsibly, and live meaningfully. UE is truly making a difference in the world. So you want to get involved on UE's campus? Well, it just depends. What are you interested in? I mean, we boast over 130 student organizations, and we have community events throughout the year. Whoa. Oh, that's Ian. He's actually practicing for our annual bike race event. So what bike race is, it is a 40-mile relay race where students compete against each other. And don't forget about our amazing Greek life community. With the support from our talented professors, us students, we have all sorts of opportunities to grow, right? Whether that be through an internship, a hands-on project, or undergrad research. A lot of universities say they care about their students, but how many actually show it? Here we are at the Student Life Center. Come on. UE offers academic, counseling, and career services to any full-time student. They want to see us succeed, so make sure you take advantage of all the resources that they offer us. Not only does UE want us to be successful in our academics, they offer several housing options on campus, whether that be Jones or Newhall, or even the recently built Lincoln Commons. And to go along with that, they have several eating options on campus too. I mean, we got Qdoba, or even Orange Leaf if you're craving a sweet treat. Welcome to Meeks Family Fieldhouse. So this is where our women's volleyball and basketball team play. As a Division I school, we host 17 varsity sports. And I mean, not to brag, but our men's basketball team has over 5 national championships. And our soccer team just won the Missouri Valley Conference Championship. Here at UE, we have an amazing sports culture, so make sure you hit up a game while you're here. UE students graduate with not only a degree, but a thirst to tackle challenges, solve problems, and make the world a brighter place. So what are you waiting for? Apply to become a Purple Ace today. Changing lives, changing the world.